water, soil. The basic elements every grower needs. But sometimes the combination can get tricky, which is why Toro developed the innovative Aqua-Traxx Azul drip tape, specifically designed to reduce clogging for higher yields and superior crop quality. Just like the Toro Aqua-Traxx drip tape growers have depended on for years, Aqua-Traxx Azul is durable, strong, and flexible enough to stand up to rough conditions in your fields, even through installation and retrieval for disposal. But Aqua-Traxx Azul takes it one step further, because by the time you realise clogging prevented water and fertilizer from reaching your plants, it can be too late. From the outside, it may seem that all tape is the same, but inside, Aqua-Traxx Azul has been engineered for superior clog protection. The larger filtration area with patent-pending multi-stage filter inlets captures more debris while allowing more water in. And from there, it flows through the larger, specially designed labyrinth. The first filtration stage protects the emitter from finer debris. In the second stage, larger debris gets filtered out and gives you a constant flow all the way to the emitter. Even the labyrinth was optimized to continuously resist clogging, giving your system added layers of protection and a low 120 mesh filtration requirement, keeping your crops evenly watered and healthy, boosting yields and your bottom line. And of course, with Aqua-Traxx Azul, you can have confidence that you're getting high-quality drip tape from an innovative company that customers have counted on for over 100 years. So when choosing a drip tape, think blue and choose Aqua-Traxx Azul. Contact your local Toro dealer for more information.